What's up, guys? It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shavon, and we are back with
another video. So what we're doing today, babe? We're gonna do something a little different, right? Well, it's not really different, but cause we did this one thing is the other way around.
It's the other way around, yeah.
So you guys see the title, so it's my time, revenge time.
Oh my god, he's about to do my makeup, y'all. So we gonna see if he can do my makeup as good as I did his makeup.
I mean, of course you're gonna do better than me. I'm trash.
If y'all haven't seen that video of me doing his makeup, it will be down in the description below. So make sure you go and watch.
Alright, somewhere on the screen, go watch that video. We did it like what, a month ago, 2 months ago. I don't remember.
I believe so. Yeah, it was a while ago. So
yeah, it was a while ago, guys. So it's my revenge time. It's finna go crazy. Even though I don't know what the hell I'm doing, guys. I don't know what I'm doing.
I'm scared.
This whole makeup crap.
It's not all of it. It's just some of it.
Some of it, majority of it. But I still don't know what I'm doing. So somebody finna look like a ghost, a zombie.
Oh my gosh.
So yeah.
I'm not gonna help him. He's going to do this based off of what the product is and what it says. So he's gonna be doing my makeup. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna sit here and just let him.
So you're not gonna help me?
I'm not gonna help you with nothing.
What's it? Man, I don't know what I'm doing.
It's okay.
Alright guys, before we start, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, I said all of it, right?
Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time we post a video.
Oh yeah, that. Yeah, that's what we always say, huh?
Yes, I always say that one.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, so without further ado, let's get straight up into this video.
Alright. Do you come closer? Can you guys see her face?
I think you can.
It's her face in the background, guys. So yeah, let's come a little closer for the viewers real quick. Yeah, right there. A big forehead. Hey, chill out, fool.
I swear.
Alright, so what we got right here?
These are all some of my brushes.
Some?
Here. These are some of my brushes. So I'm just gonna, well, it's...
So?
Yeah.
Man, it's a whole...
This is eyeshadow primer. These are my brushes. Some of the brushes in here I use every time I do my makeup. This lip gloss.
So I don't need those, right?
No. Well, I mean, if you want to use that, you can. Oh, I just gave you a hint.
What?
I just said this is lip gloss. Okay guys, so that is all of my brushes that I use for my face.
So you need three bags?
These are just like some small eyeshadow palettes right here.
I like when she's helping me out, guys. She's just doing a good job helping me out.
These are some other items that I have in this bag. Okay, I can put that in there, it doesn't matter. And this is just everything else, guys.
Oh my god.
So, let's go, baby.
Alright. So, guys, what do I do first?
What do he do first, y'all?
What do I do first, guys? Get one of these brushes? Alright, somebody say get one of these brushes.
And do what with the brush? Okay.
Yeah, see that, guys? I'm doing a good job, right? Alright, good. Alright. Alright.
You done?
Bro, what the hell do I do first, bro?
Ain't nothing in there.
What do I do first? I'm starting lip gloss first.
Why you get that one? Because you know that's it? Because I told you.
I mean, I know what are these? What are these, guys? What are these? What these do? Whoa. What is that?
Whoa.
What does it do?
I don't know, babe.
What do you mean you don't know?
I don't know.
So who know me? Man, you finna look like a ghost for real, because if you don't help me out, somebody gonna look like a creep. Alright, let's see what you got in here. I'm trying to remember how she did mine. So when she did my video, guys. I'm trying to remember what she used. I can't remember none of that crap. Oh, what the hell these crap at?
If you need to, you can take it all out. If you need to.
I'm gonna take a look and put back all in there. Alright, what is this? A spray? Bro, what do I do first?
I don't know, baby.
You know what? Frig it. It's my video. I'm doing makeup. So let's get
Your
it.
video,
Let's get it.
Okay.
Let's get it. Let's go. Alright, come on. So smile. Alright. What is he doing?
Okay.
Come closer for the viewers, man. Come closer for the viewers, man. Alright. Good, guys. Yeah, I'm doing a good job right there, guys. Alright, do this on me. Yeah. Alright. We getting somewhere. Alright, let's go. Let the viewers. Can you guys see that? Put some more? Alright.
I don't think they said that.
Alright. Get this out of the way. Alright. What is new? What is new? I'm thinking this for the eyelash. So I'm gonna put this as an eyelash, guys. I don't know what the hell what this crap do. But it's eyelash. I put it as eyelash. Come on.
Okay.
What I do? What is he doing? Open your eye. I think I made a mistake. I don't think this is used for what I thought it was. Alright. What we got next? What the hell is this? What is this? It's got the same thing but a smaller brush. I'm gonna put this as under the eyebrows. Wait, is it? Guys, help me out, man. I don't know what I'm doing. Man, what is it? What is this? What color is it? I thought everything's much your color. What do you mean, what color is it? What is this? Oh, my bad. I haven't adjusted. What is this? I ain't touching that. What is this? I ain't touching that. What is this? What is this? I don't know what. Guys, I don't know where to start, man. What is this? Oh, this more. Oh, what's in it right here, right? This should be good, right? When you go come back to the camera, what you doing? This is my video, man. Shit. I'm gonna put it over the top right here.
You're hard.
Come on. Right there.
You better break my shoe.
What do you mean break your shoe?
Cause you aggressive.
Alright, don't worry about that, man.
What you doing?
Oh, yeah, man, fix your face for the viewers, man. What you look, guys? Alright. What's wrong with it?
That's MAC. You better not break that.
What, expensive?
Yeah, it's expensive. That costs $28.
Man, expensive. Alright, guys. Alright. What the hell is this crap for? I'm gonna pick something else right here. I need to start doing up here and shit. But what do you use to put up there? What is this? What is this? Guys, what is this?
Read it, babe.
Yeah, that's what it says.
What it say?
I don't know. What the hell is this? What is go?
I don't know.
I think this goes for the eyebrows.
Oh.
Oh.
That's not for the okay.
I'm doing my thing, man. I'm doing my thing.
Alright.
Let me go this way. Can this come off your face? What do you mean no? Well, too bad. Alright, let's do this. Alright.
Guys, he's seen me do my makeup before.
I don't remember. Shit. Alright, guys. How's you looking so far? Oh my god!
You are horrible.
Alright. Guys, look at her hand.
You better stop pushing me. My eyebrows are stiff.
For real? What I mean? This gonna come off, right? I hope so. Alright, I need to start doing these shit. I'm sorry from the language, y'all. Let's do. Ooh, okay. Which one is your color? Which one is your face? Guys, I don't know. Which one is your face? Which one is your face?
Which one look like my face?
Okay, you want to pick any one minute. I can use any brush, right? Alright. It don't matter, right? Oh, never mind. Take that back. Man, I don't know what I'm doing, bro. You looking cute, girl. Get in between the eyebrows right there. Ah! What's wrong? Oh.
Ow!
Oh, man, Charlotte, someone coming down my I think I messed up. Oh, shit. I'm gonna get it for you. You good?
I was playing.
Man, I
just want you to stop putting it in my face.
Can you give me an idea what going in your face, then? I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Okay, the thing that you should have put first is primer.
What is a primer?
You gotta read it.
Man, ain't all this crap primer? Conceal.
What you call in my video when I was doing my makeup? You said everything was foundation or something.
Yeah. So everything is called foundation.
No, it's not.
Man, I don't know, man. What is this? You got a whole bunch of junk. You got a whole bunch of junk, man. What is this? Can you give me an next clue?
Primer is the first thing, man.
What is the first thing? It's a whole bunch of crap over here. I don't know what is the first thing.
Primer. Read the label.
It's a whole bunch of crap over here.
Okay, pick one and read it.
Primer. This don't even say primer on it. What do you mean?
Then it's not primer.
Primer. No primer. What is a primer, bro? Primer. I'm really looking stupid as hell. Primer. I mean, can you help me up some more? This look fantastic. What is this?
I will kill you.
What is this do?
I will kill you. Babe,
What is this?
before you mess around with that, you need to think on your life.
What is this? You look cute, girl. What is this?
Which one do that?
What it do? What it do? What it do?
Where did I put
What are you jacking up for? Come closer to the camera. What is do?
Where did I put it on you?
You use this? Oh, I guess you put it over here.
Where? Oh. It's not. This shit.
Come back closer to the camera.
Hey, you messing up my stuff. Put it back.
What do you mean put it back? So where it go?
Put it down.
Alright.
Down is where it goes.
I'm blending in with another brush. Any brush?
No, you can't use no brush for that.
Got hands on brush of that?
No,
Why?
because
But it didn't look right.
that's lipstick, fool.
What, lipstick? Oh.
What you doing?
Put some more lipstick.
But
Come on.
you ass.
Guys, she's making this harder than what it is, man. Babe, what is a primer? Bro, can you give me an next idea? I'm about to start putting anything on your face. This is the primer? What's this? This the primer?
What did it say, babe?
This is the primer?
What do it say?
I see the word primer on it.
Okay.
Oh, this little thing is to clear your face. Okay, guys. I found the primer, guys. I found the primer, so I use my hand, right?
Yes.
Alright. Alright, guys. Put a little bit right here. Alright, go on your face, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
I mean, but you.
What?
You.
Some more. You need a new body, girl. Alright. Alright, so I use the brush to blend it in, right?
No.
What do you mean, no? So what do I use to blend it in?
Your hand, fool.
Oh, this? Alright.
Guys, why do I feel like he's playing?
I'm playing, guys. I know what I'm doing. It's gonna come out.
Oh my god.
It's gonna come out? Oh, I think it is. You'll be fine. She look cute, huh? You look for the camera. You look cute, huh?
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
Guys, I at least thought he would get one thing correct. He ain't got nothing yet. Well, I mean, he got one correct. He got one.
Let me use this. What is this? So I'm guessing this is right because you even the face expression. This.
What you do with that?
What you do?
Why are you just about to drop shit on me?
What this do? Hey, come on. What this do, guys? Hey, come on. Oh, like this. So I can use the brush to blend it in? With this? Oh, okay, bet. Oh, I can't use too much, huh? It doesn't matter. Let me see some more. You look like a clown.
Let me see this.
Alright, so I use the brush now, right? Alright. What about other stuff? The brush not supposed to touch you, right? The right stuff on whatever. Alright, let me just do this time, right? Come closer for the viewers.
Man, get your god doggone.
Don't need more? Don't need more?
I don't think you do.
Why you say that? Why you don't think I do? You look good already. Look in the mirror. Alright, guys. So, I'm doing so far, guys. Doing a good job. Oh, girl, get them eyebrows on fleek.
Can you stop pulling my hair?
My bad.
Don't put.
Jesus. Alright, what is doing? I need to use. What is doing? Some kind of color. I don't think I'm going to use this. What is it for you? What is it? Something for the eyelash?
This look is goddamn. What do they say?
Oh, for your lip. Oh. No, I need some color in there. I need some maybe some red. Alright. What else you got over here? What else you got in here? Guys, I'm doing a good job so far, guys. What is the why you have so much of these? What is this? I mean,
You need a whole bunch of lipsticks.
Alright, come on, let's do it. So guys, basically I'm gonna do up here now. So close your eyes, please. Thank you. Well, what the hell, let's do it. Alright.
That is so enough for that. Damn, I'm about to poke
Did a
my
good job so far, guys?
Wow.
Alright, hold on. Okay. Man, stop doing that.
Man, you need to be careful.
So, man, I'm gonna put this lipstick on, man. I wanna put a little red in it. Come on, put a little red in it. Come on.
You said a little. That don't feel like a little.
Rub it in, rub it in.
Oh
Rub
my
it
god.
in.
Babe.
Rub
You
it
said a
in.
little.
Rub it in. Rub it in.
Yo, that feel like I just ate a whole pot of chicken.
Alright, come on. Get the other side. Come over here, man. Alright. Alright. Rub it in, rub it in. Alright. Alright, let me break that.
Yo, it felt like I ate a whole bunch of chicken.
How you look? Let me see you look.
You're lucky I cannot see nothing. Like, everything is blurry. All I see is colors. The most color I see is red.
Alright, guys, I'm going to edit right here, man. I'm zoom my car for you guys, man. I'm going to edit right here. What do you guys think of it? What do you guys think?
I wish you would stop jerking me.
I'm zoom back in for you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Who the hell are you? Hey, hell no! Hey! Don't do that. Fix your face.
You did it.
Alright, guys. So, guys, what do you guys think of? I did a good job, man?
No.
What do you mean, no, man? Bend your head straight. You go, wait. Wait, what do you guys? I did a good job, guys. Right? I know you did a good job, man. Yeah. Don't recommend me, though, because I don't do it. Alright. What do you guys say to the viewers?
I feel like I just had my face played on by all of my stuff. Like, he never used any foundation, guys. He never used any foundation.
Because of foundation.
He never used any eyebrow product. Babe, this was my foundation right here.
Me too.
And this was my eyebrow product right here.
Oh, you can put it in there.
No, we can't. No, we can't. We done.
We ain't done.
We done. You not about to mess up my foundation. This is my free sample.
Exactly, it's free, so you ain't got
No.
What is this?
Cause I'm not buying a big old bottle. So, all right, guys. So this is the closing. This is it. This is just how we do. We're not doing nothing else. This is it. I'm not letting.
She said I'm doing a horrible job, guys. So I gotta
No
stop.
more. So yeah, guys. Like we said in the beginning, make sure you go watch that video of me doing his makeup. And yeah, guys, like this video, comment in the comment section below what was your favorite part about this video and what you would like to see from us next. Also, subscribe to this channel if you have not already. Hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video. So yeah, guys, we'll see y'all in the next video. Got something to see?
Peace. Subscribe.